Hey, welcome back. In this video, I will try to explain you about Google SEO Whiz. And first of all, a small and brief introduction to Google SEO Whiz. What is Google SEO Whiz? Google SEO Whiz is a web app from Wix, and what is its purpose? It to helps your website to rank higher in the search engine results. So whenever you have just searched anything on Google, you will find a set of search engine results. So there are about set of results in the format of websites. So first of all, at the top there will be the heading, and in the middle you will find the link of that website, and at the bottom you will find a small description regarding that web page. So in this manner you will find a list of websites which are related to the search term that you have made or you have typed on the search bar of Google. So there are about more than 10 to 12 pages for most of the search engine results. In the same manner, we cannot say where your website will be present. So you have created a website regarding a perfect regarding any of the topic, and you have just published it, and now you are expecting that you will gain more audience. So it's not like a magic, or it's not like any kind of free thing which happens here. So you have to work on improving your search engine optimization, and as a result of improving your search engine optimization, your website will rank higher in the search engine results. So in order to improve your search engine optimization, Google SEO Whiz is helpful. So this is not a brief introduction, sorry for that. So what you are going to do here in order to improve your search engine optimization and in order to rank higher in the search engine results is that first of all you should choose a site name. So by default you can find that your web page will have a site name. When you have published your website, at the end you will find a small name which you can optimize with a free version, and it is what we call as site name. And if you have a premium version, then your site name will be the name of your home page, or you can just edit that in the dashboard of your Wix account. You have to just choose a perfect site name for your website. Your site name should not be too short, and it should not be too large. It should be medium, and it should be definitive. What do I mean by definitive? So it should define what your website is regarding. For example, here you can find a small example at the bottom. It says Daniel Forest Photography. So it clearly mentions that it is regarding photography. And in the same manner, if you are creating a video selling website for selling online courses, then please do mention that visually education. So as I am creating, my site name is visually, I will try to mention it as visually education. In the same manner, you can also choose another name such as visually online courses, and more anything. You can just use that. I'll just type here. So why do I just say that you type even the category of your website? So it clearly mentions that my website is regarding education, because it helps Google to understand your website. It helps Google to understand that your website is about education, and most of the people who are interested to learn online and who are interested to search about education, then Google will try to show your website at the top of the results means show your website's link and description at most at the top. And here you have got another question: do you have a business location? So if your website is both online and offline, then you can choose the first option. And if your website is only online and your business is only online, then please do choose the second option and then click next. So here I have already added a few keywords. I will just delete that first and explain you what a keyword means. A keyword is a search term, which means that a single word or a set of 2 to 3 words which explains your website briefly, and it helps the search engine to categorize your website. So here you can find that it says freelance photographer and outdoor cycling photos. So whenever the any of the person just types outdoor cycling photos on Google, then Google tries to show this website at most at the top of the search engine results. So as my website is regarding online courses, first of all I will choose for online courses, and later I will just, you have to hit comma, and then you have to just add up to 5 keywords for your website. Okay, I will also add education, and I'll choose some of the topics. Let it be physics, computer. Okay, I have just added about 5 keywords here. You should not right away click the create SEO plan button here. You have to click analyze my keywords option, because it helps you to choose the keyword which is having more strength. What do I mean by more strength? A keyword which people regularly search for. So when I just click here, you can find that. So here you can find that as I have typed about online courses, this keyword is having more strength compared to relative keywords. You can select any of these. So as this is having the more strength compared to others, I will just leave that in same manner. Coming down here, you can see that educate is having more strength than education. So you have to shift for educate. You have to just change there. Okay. So, what do keyword strength mean? As I have said that people will be searching more for educate rather than for education, and hence it is being displayed more powerful or displayed as having more strength here. So as people search more for educate, then it's better to choose the option called educate, and you have to just analyze in the same manner, and then you have to make changes here. And now after just analyzing your keywords, click on create SEO plan, and now you will be landing over a dashboard of the app called Google SEO Wiz. So this is the app, and here you have got to do a lot more work. So 6 and 15. So my website optimization process, out of 15 I have got about 6 marks. You can assume it in this way. So there are about 15 chances for me to set up a good description or good title or any other thing which is being displayed here, and out of these 15 options I have perfectly utilized about 6 options, and you can see here a tick mark is being shown as it's this work is, or these options are perfectly utilized by me. Whereas coming at the bottom here, update the home page's SEO title. So I was unsuccessful in just updating the home page's SEO title. What here you can just read here more in order to get the more information. So here what it says is that the SEO page title or meta title is the first thing about you that people see on Google. So I should particularly tell about my name instead of just writing some other name for my homepage. So I have just added my homepage name as home only, so it's better to just update my homepage's name. So below I will get another about 3 options. So you can choose any one of the here, physics, personal development, or you can also choose the third one. So you have got here options. You can just copy and paste it there in the page SEO section of page manager, and you have to just click here, go to editor and make changes there, and come back here after publishing your website and click on refresh, and you should see that this should change into a tick mark. So in the same way you have got about this many options to improve your search engine optimization. So you have to just make changes all over there, and coming on to settings section, you just can change the name of site name, and you can just change your keywords anytime, and moreover you will get more information when you click on SEO guide for Wix. Hope you have found this video helpful for you. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.